budget-friendly cooking. I am Donna, and today we're going to make chicken salad with my twist. So when I think about chicken salad, I see this undefined texture of something that is beige color, and you have no idea what's in it. It's actually overcooked chicken breast with a mayo and a little bit of celery. I don't even know if they add salt and pepper in it, but we're gonna make different chicken salad with lots of flavor, lots of texture, lots of herbs, celery, and a little bit of mayo. So here I have chicken thigh, chicken leg with thigh and leg together, and one chicken breast with skin on and bone in, and I'm gonna roast that together. So I like dark meat, but I kind of like to mix dark and white meat because it gives like different flavor and different texture. So we're gonna salt and pepper that, nothing else, just very simple, just like that. Have a little bit of pepper here, freshly ground, and there you go. There you go. Little salt, little pepper here. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil because it kind of helps to roast it much nicer and better. And I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. You can add any spices that you like. You can add like chili spices, spice mix. You can add za'atar spices. You can add like just coriander or anything that you guys want to add the flavor in your chicken salad. So I'm gonna put this in the oven on 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. All right. And while that's cooking, we can do the sauce, dressing, whatever the other ingredients we need to add to our chicken salad. We can make that and then just relax. Chicken is in the oven. So while it's roasting, we can make our dressing with all the ingredients. Just chop the celery and parsley and make everything ready. So I make chicken salad like different way every time I make it. I like to add a lot of veggies. I like to add broccoli, sometimes apples. Dried cranberries are amazing in chicken salad, or some like almonds or something like that. This is perfect. This is about a cup of celery. So you don't really need to like be like exact in that. So just like play by ear, so by eyes. So whatever you feel like. I think this should be more than enough. Plenty. So dill will be good in chicken salad too, but I happen to have parsley and I want to use that, and it actually gives nice bright healthy flavor and color to my chicken salad. Just about half a cup, so more or less won't hurt, as I said. So let's add a little bit of shallot. You can always add some scallions. I like scallions in salads too, but shallots really give nice flavor too. Or red onion, like a quarter of a red onion will be good. And I like to add like something bright, like lemon juice and zest, of course, but maybe pickles, like cornichons, has a little juice, capers. I have capers here, so about a tablespoon, a little more than a tablespoon. So I'm gonna give it a rough chop so that you get like little bits with every bite. Go. Perfect. It's actually, you can put this sauce together like 2 minutes. Lemon zest. Always good in salads. Just gives the salad like fresh and wonderful taste. So just 1 lemon zest will be enough. Don't forget to clean this part. And whew, there you go. This is one of my favorite tools because you can just take out all the juice from the lemon. Look at that. About 2 tablespoons of mayo here. Good old Hellmann's. We need a little bit of pepper. Okay. And we can just mix this. Sometimes I like to add just a little bit of olive oil to give a flavor because I love my olive oil from Olive Oil Club that I'm a member of for more than 4 years. So it's an amazing company. I get like fresh pressed olive oils every 3 months, every season. 3 bottles, 3 small bottles, and they are the best olive oils you can imagine. So it's called fresh pressed olives. Oh, look at that. So this is our sauce. So we're gonna add chicken after our chicken is roasted, and we are pretty much done. So let's check our chicken. 40 minutes later, should be done. Look at that. Look at that, a beauty. Okay, our chicken is cooled down. So just make sure that you get rid of all the bones. And you can just break the pieces. You can cut it with a knife. And I just want to use the juice too. So I'm just gonna kind of soak that in that. Break into pieces the size that you guys want, smaller, bigger, it's up to you. I like to have like medium size. And gonna get rid of the skin. You don't want skin in your salad. Still a little hot. Oops. Making a mess here. And it's always good to kind of cool down completely because you don't want hot chicken to add hot chicken into the sauce. Warm is good because when the meat is warm, it absorbs the flavor much better. That looks good. All right, we're gonna move this meat here. And mix it. Get rid of the gloves. This is just simple version of our chicken salad. You guys can add any vegetables. You can add like broccoli, some cherry tomatoes will be good, like maybe corn, some frozen corn or peas. But I kind of wanted to keep it simple and just give you the idea of how to make these like more exciting, more flavorful, healthier than the traditional American chicken salad. And then the rest is up to you, so you can adjust it to your taste or to your liking. Let's have a little wine because it's already 4 o'clock. Oh my god, 4 p.m. Cheers. So I'm gonna do a little chicken salad sandwich on my sourdough bread. I kind of love when I roast the whole chicken because it gives additional flavor. So you can serve this over the salad, lettuce, spinach, kale. You can just eat the way it is because it has a lot of celery, or you can make this beautiful sandwich and eat it. I'm gonna eat this after I say goodbye. What happened here? Don't forget to make it. Don't forget to subscribe. Share your versions, your ideas. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot. And I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Cheers.